Wait, if your space always feels a little cramped no matter what you do, this is exactly what you need. These aren't just random Amazon gadgets, these are smart upgrades that actually fix everyday problems in small homes and tiny apartments. From saving space to making your setup way more functional, some of these are seriously game-changing. So don't skip, because every single one gets better. And yeah, I've dropped every link for you right in the description, super easy to check out. Let's start with something that upgrades your daily routine instantly. This robot vacuum and mop handles both sweeping and mopping without taking up any extra space. It uses smart navigation to move around furniture, reach corners, and clean efficiently across your entire floor. The self-empty and self-cleaning system reduces maintenance, while the detangling brush helps prevent hair buildup. For small homes or apartments, this is one of those upgrades that quietly saves hours every week while keeping your space consistently clean with almost zero effort. Most options usually range between $200 to $500. Next up, this folding sofa bed is all about maximizing space without sacrificing comfort. It works as a cozy seating area during the day and quickly converts into a sleeper bed when needed. The L-shaped design adds extra lounging space while still fitting nicely into compact layouts. Perfect for apartments or studio setups where every inch matters. If you don't have a guest room, this gives you a smart alternative without cluttering your space. A functional upgrade that makes your living area more versatile and practical. Most models typically fall around $250 to $700. Now, this smart thermostat makes a big difference without taking up any physical space. You can control your home's temperature remotely using your phone or voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. It learns your habits over time and adjusts automatically for better comfort and energy efficiency. In smaller spaces, this means consistent temperature without constant adjustments. It's one of those upgrades that works quietly in the background but makes your home feel more modern, efficient, and easier to manage every single day. Most options usually range between $80 to $200. Right after that, this power strip tower cleans up one of the most common problems in small spaces: cable clutter. Instead of spreading outlets across the floor, this vertical design gives you multiple sockets and USB ports in one compact footprint. It also includes overload protection and a built-in nightlight, which adds extra convenience. Perfect for desks, bedside setups, or living areas where you need multiple devices plugged in. A simple but powerful upgrade that keeps everything organized, accessible, and much safer to use. Most options are usually priced between $20 to $50. Moving on, this height-adjustable standing desk converter helps you create a flexible workspace without replacing your entire desk. You can easily switch between sitting and standing positions, which helps reduce fatigue during long work sessions. It's wide enough for dual monitors while still being compact enough for small apartments. The smooth lifting mechanism makes adjustments quick and effortless. If you work from home or spend hours on your laptop, this is one of those upgrades that improves both comfort and productivity without taking up extra space. Most options usually range between $80 to $180. Continuing on, these rechargeable LED wall lamps are perfect for adding light exactly where you need it without any wiring. The cordless design makes installation super easy, and the magnetic mount lets you adjust or remove them anytime. You get multiple brightness levels and color temperatures, so you can set the right mood or task lighting. The 360-degree rotation helps direct light precisely, which is great for bedrooms, hallways, or reading corners. A clean, modern lighting upgrade that works especially well in small spaces where outlets are limited. Most options usually range between $20 to $60. Next up, this portable clip-on fan is a simple upgrade that makes a big difference in comfort. It's compact, battery-operated, and easy to attach to desks, shelves, or even bed frames. With multiple speed settings, you can adjust airflow based on your needs without taking up space like traditional fans. It's especially useful in small apartments where airflow can feel limited. You can move it anywhere, recharge it easily, and stay cool without cluttering your setup. A practical, everyday gadget that you'll end up using more than you expect. Most options usually range between $15 to $40. Now, this essential oil diffuser adds both function and atmosphere to your space. It works as a humidifier while spreading calming fragrances, which can make your room feel more relaxing instantly. The remote control makes it easy to adjust settings, and the color-changing LED lights add a subtle ambient glow. It's quiet enough for bedrooms and perfect for winding down after a long day. In smaller homes, this helps create a more comfortable environment without taking up much room. A small upgrade that really changes how your space feels. Most options usually range between $20 to $50. Right after that, this countertop compost bin is a smart addition for keeping your kitchen clean and eco-friendly. It lets you collect food scraps without dealing with bad odors thanks to the built-in carbon filters. The compact size fits easily on countertops without getting in the way, making it ideal for small kitchens. Instead of constantly running to the trash, you can keep everything contained and organized. It's a simple habit upgrade that reduces waste while keeping your space cleaner and more efficient every day. Most options usually range between $20 to $40. Moving on, this automatic bathroom trash can brings a touchless experience that feels surprisingly premium. The motion sensor lid opens instantly, so you don't have to touch anything, which keeps things more hygienic. Its compact design fits well in tight bathroom spaces, and the sealed lid helps contain odors effectively. It's perfect for maintaining cleanliness with minimal effort, especially in smaller homes where every detail matters. A sleek, modern upgrade that adds convenience while keeping your space looking clean and organized. Most options usually range between $25 to $60. Quick pause. If you've seen something useful so far, all the links are right there in the description for you to check out anytime. Continuing on, this ergonomic laptop stand is a small upgrade that makes a big difference in daily comfort. It lifts your laptop to a better eye level, helping reduce neck and shoulder strain during long sessions. The adjustable height lets you fine-tune your setup, while the ventilated design improves airflow to keep your device cool. It's foldable, lightweight, and easy to store, which makes it perfect for compact workspaces. If you work or study from home, this helps create a cleaner, more comfortable, and efficient setup. Most options usually range between $20 to $60. Sliding in, this adjustable TV tray table adds instant functionality without taking up permanent space. You can use it for meals, working on your laptop, or even as a side table while relaxing on the couch or bed. The adjustable height makes it flexible for different uses, and the foldable design means you can tuck it away easily when not needed. It's especially useful in small apartments where multi-purpose furniture matters. A simple addition that makes your daily routine smoother and more convenient. Most options usually range between $30 to $80. Coming up, this couch cup holder tray solves a common problem without adding extra furniture. It sits securely on your sofa armrest and creates a stable surface for drinks, snacks, or your phone. The flexible design adapts to different armrest shapes, making it surprisingly versatile for most setups. It keeps everything within reach while preventing spills and clutter. Perfect for small living rooms where side tables can feel bulky. A compact upgrade that improves comfort while keeping your space clean and organized. Most options usually range between $15 to $35. Following that, these shelf dividers instantly bring structure to messy closets or cabinets. Instead of stacking items that collapse or mix together, these create clear sections so everything stays upright and easy to find. They slide into place without tools, making installation quick and hassle-free. Ideal for organizing clothes, towels, or kitchen storage. In smaller spaces, this helps maximize vertical storage while keeping everything neat and accessible. A simple upgrade that makes your storage look more organized without extra effort. Most options usually range between $15 to $40. Now let's talk about these space-saving hangers designed to maximize closet capacity without increasing clutter. The cascading design allows multiple garments to hang vertically, freeing up a significant amount of space instantly. Made from sturdy stainless steel, they hold weight well without bending or losing shape. Perfect for small closets where every inch matters. It keeps your clothes organized, visible, and easy to access. One of those upgrades that makes your closet feel bigger and more efficient right away. Most options usually range between $15 to $30. Moving forward, this portable steam sauna tent brings a full relaxation setup into a compact space. It heats up quickly and surrounds your body with steam to help relax muscles, improve circulation, and reduce stress. The foldable design means you can set it up when needed and store it away easily after use. It's perfect for small homes where a permanent setup isn't possible. If you want a personal wellness upgrade without taking up space, this gives you that spa-like experience right at home. Most options usually range between $80 to $200. Up next, this tiny programmable game console keychain adds a fun and surprisingly functional twist to your everyday carry. It comes preloaded with classic games, and you can even program your own, which makes it great for learning basic coding in a playful way. Despite its ultra-small size, it's fully functional and rechargeable. Perfect for quick breaks or killing time anywhere. In a small home setup, it doesn't add clutter but still brings entertainment. A unique little gadget that's both fun and creative. Most options usually range between $20 to $40. Right here, this foldable clothes drying rack is a practical solution for air drying clothes without taking over your space. It opens up to provide multiple hanging levels and folds down flat when not in use, ideal for apartments where outdoor drying isn't always possible. It helps protect delicate fabrics while saving energy compared to dryers. Lightweight yet sturdy, you can move it around easily depending on your needs. A simple, space-saving essential that fits perfectly into compact living environments. Most options usually range between $30 to $90. Next in line, this foldable sofa bed chair is built for versatility in tight spaces. It works as a comfortable chair during the day and quickly unfolds into a sleeping surface when needed. The foam construction provides decent support, while the washable cover keeps maintenance easy. Great for hosting guests without needing a full-size bed. It fits well in small rooms, studios, or even corners that would otherwise go unused. A flexible furniture piece that helps you get more out of limited space. Most options usually range between $100 to $300. Closing this lineup with this travel clothes steamer, a compact solution for keeping your outfits wrinkle-free anywhere. It heats up quickly and works as both a steamer and iron, giving you flexibility without carrying bulky equipment. The portable size makes it easy to store or pack, which is perfect for small homes or frequent travel. It handles different fabrics effectively while saving time compared to traditional ironing. A neat finishing upgrade that keeps your clothes looking sharp without taking up much room. Most options usually range between $25 to $60. That wraps up the list, and honestly, these are some of the smartest upgrades you can add to a small home or tiny apartment. If you found something useful, go ahead and check the description for all the links. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more smart Amazon finds like these.